Hello my beautiful and amazing YouTubers, content creators, supporters, viewers, welcome. It is your boy Mr. Green Hands, and everybody knows that it is July. The weather is quite hot at the moment, and if you're worried about you're gonna be too late for starting a garden, this is a couple of vegetables or a few things that you can plant right now in the weathers of July, and you will be able to get something to eat or to use within your home. It's never too late. Let me take you on that journey. This is the first one I want to talk about, and this is literally beans, legumes, your peas and your beans. You can still plant and harvest some beans. It's never too late. Right now I got a few ants which are giving my ones a little run for their money. So I'm going to flick these bad boys off, and hopefully they leave me with something in the long term. So it's never too late. I have planted these dwarf bush beans, some French dwarf bush beans, and they're coming up nicely, but obviously we're going to be battling in it as always with a few insects. Not a problem. I got something for these bad boys to take care of them soon, don't you worry. And you will get a harvest, because it takes approximately about 30 to 60 days and you'll be eating beans right off the stand. Next thing I want to tell people that you can plant right now, and these are some onions. These are some absolute beautiful onions. These are doing really well, but you can still put your onions right now. Don't be scared and don't be fussed about it. You might not be able to get the bulb section to fully develop, but you will have some onions that you can use in your garden and have a great meal. And plus, the best thing about it, you know how it was grown and you know how much effort you put in, and now you're going to reap the benefit of it. That's number 2. See, if you look here closely, guys, you will see that I have some new onions coming up through, and these guys are going to be used in my cooking. This is the third thing that you can plant in July and still maintain and get a great crop. These are some amazing and beautiful carrots which I have planted here. These ones are a little bit matured, so I'm going to show you the ones that I've just freshly sowed. Those are that one there. And in here, while the dog's barking at me again, I've just sowed, if you guys can see clearly, I have just sowed some new ones along my runner beans here to fill the gap that was there. So have a look. These are some beautiful carrots and they're coming up nicely. So you can still really truly plant something and get something going in July. Don't be scared, get out there and grow. The next thing that I have in mind that everybody can plant in the July time, these are parsley. One of the fastest things that grows, and it's really beautiful and it's really great for your garden. Very good for cooking and very amazing whenever you're using it with soups and stuff like that. It's beautiful and it's amazing in making like sauces and stuff. You just want to use a little parsley to give it a little kick, and it feels amazing. Parsley is just beautiful, and I'm going to be adding some more, and I've literally just sowed a few more seeds in a tray over there, so I'm going to be dotting them around the garden. So it's still not too late, even though people are scared. Don't be scared, guys. Get out there and plant something. You never know what might come. These are coming on nicely, and I did actually transplanted these in the beginning. This is another one that everybody can plant, everybody can sow. It's super easy to grow, very, very, very quick on it when it gets going, and that is some lettuce. Lettuce is a fantastic thing to add to your garden. It's a greeny vegetable, and it's just beautiful, and it does nothing beats pretty much growing your own and eating your own. I sowed these about a week ago, and look how quickly they're ready to literally start to go everywhere, and I'm going to be transplanting out these sooner than anybody think. Let's get it up a little bit more so they can grow a bit more, and then I'll transplant them out into my garden. So it's not too late. Come on, guys. And the other one, and this is the final one that I want everybody to consider growing in July, or consider just go out there and plant it. And these are some beets. They're a beautiful, amazing beetroot. They are doing well, and I'm just started to transplant them up from their bed over there. I saw them literally in that part with my beautiful spinach and some marigold and some amazing cabbages are in there. They're a little bit struggling, but don't worry, I'm gonna find somewhere to get them in. Beetroot, fantastic thing to have. It can handle the cold, it can handle all that nature throws at it, and it thrives in chillier weathers. So I think it's literally one of the most amazing, fantastic thing that you can grow right now in July, and you will get something later on down the year. But it's not too late. Let's get everybody out there, put in those seeds in the ground, and you never know what you might reap later on. This is your boy, Mr. Green, and I hope that you're enjoying my content, and I hope to see everybody coming back to watching what I produce. And if you love what I do, hit that like button and subscribe button if you love what I'm doing as well. It helps to grow and send this great information out there for the beautiful, amazing people of the world, that we can all grow for ourselves and eat what you grow. Take care of yourself, and as always, take care of the planet.